Uline's H7212 Orgapack combo strapping tool gives you the easiest, fastest, and safest way to securely strap fragile packages. For use on fragile packages, like glass shipments and electronics, Orgapack's lightest weight strapping tool helps increase productivity and reduce packaging costs by eliminating the need for metal seals. Each tool comes with a charger and one battery. The lithium-ion battery can be quickly charged in 30 minutes and provides up to 800 seals per charge. The digital operating panel allows users to quickly set and change a number of settings, including tension and weld time preferences and operating mode. To begin strapping, place both ends of the strap around the package with the strap closest to you on the bottom. The bottom strap should be 2 inches beyond the tool. The tools have the capability of operating in 3 modes: semi-automatic, automatic, and manual. They come preset in the semi-automatic mode. In this mode, product is strapped by holding the tension button. When the desired strap tension is reached, the tool will automatically weld and cut. This mode allows adjustments to be made while maintaining consistent tension to strap package after package. Once a weld has been properly completed, the touch screen will turn green and you can release the tool. Press the operating mode button to change to automatic mode. Just press the tensioning button and the unit will tension and weld to the desired preset settings. This allows the user to walk away from the tool and prepare the next item to be strapped. Press the operating mode button again to change to manual mode. The manual mode allows the user to tension as little or as much as they want. Once the desired tension is reached, simply press the weld button. This allows flexibility in the types of packages that can be strapped without needing to adjust the settings each time. On the operating control panel, the user can also easily change the welding time, increasing it for thicker straps and decreasing it for thinner straps. The control panel also features a button to change the tensioning force. Simply press the tension force button and use the plus or minus buttons until the desired tension force is displayed. There is a soft tension button that allows the user to further reduce the tension if desired. The Favorites button allows you to save a preset of regularly used preferences, making it ideal for switching from one tool setting to another. Press the Lock button to lock the unit's screen pad to keep unwanted changes to the settings from occurring. Simply hold the Lock button down and press the Weld button to turn it on or off. Uline's H7212 Sealless Combo tool also comes with a 6-month warranty covering repairs, parts, and labor. The H7212 Orgapack strapping tool is in stock and ready for fast delivery from any of our strategic locations in North America. Whatever your strapping needs are, you can rely on Uline to have the solution.